Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Netflix profile from your mobile device. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already installed the Netflix application on my device, and if you have not, do install it right now. In case you have not logged into Netflix, do log in. Well guys, as you can see, this right here is my profile and I want to delete this. So let's try to delete it from our mobile device. Right here at the bottom right section, here's my profile right here. Just click on it. Now in my profile page, here is my username and my profile picture. My downloads will be right here. Let's just say I want to delete this. So let's click on those three lines right here at the very top right. Now something like this will open up. We don't need to look at anything else. Let's just click on this Manage Profiles button. Right here's my profile and here's a pencil-like icon. I'm simply gonna click on it. Now from here you can either change your profile picture, your name, but right now we simply want to scroll down and at the very bottom, here's the delete profile button, just click on it. Now it's gonna ask for your confirmation right here. You can simply hit on cancel if you do not want to delete, but if you want to, just hit on delete profile. And guys, that's it. That's how we delete your Netflix profile from your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.